Hey guys, so my Amazon purchases came today and I wanted to let you know what I got because I told you I would. So the first thing is the Ordinary, the AHA BHA peeling solution. So this does have the pH listed. I did a previous video that's really important. So when you're buying a peel, you want to know the pH of the product. So in the video I talked about your skin being a pH of around 5. So you want something more acidic than that so that it penetrates in, right? So this is 3.6, so that's good for home use. So I'm going to try this. It's good that it's AHA and BHA, so it's alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy. So anti-aging, and the beta hydroxy is good for like cleaning out the pores. That's salicylic acid as a beta hydroxy. So I'm curious how this is. I do a lot of peels, so I'm going to see if it's not that strong, you know, so for more resilient older skin, or people that have been doing more treatments. I'm going to give you some tips on how to maybe increase the penetration of this product. And also if you're younger and you thought it was too strong, I'll give you some tips on maybe how to buffer it and kind of calm it down a little, make the peel less strong for you. So I'll give you those tips, but let me try it first. The other thing I got on Amazon was the Olay, the AHA resurfacing peel. So this is probably a good summer safe peel. It's just vitamin C, that's it. And I sell something similar in my spa, so I'm actually going to compare it similar to the other bubbling mask video that I did. So on half of my face I'll do the Olay, on half of my face I'll do my peel. So this is my vitamin C peel kit. So both of them look pretty similar upon opening them, so I'll show you mine and I'll show you the Olay. So mine, step 1, it's a little granular, and then step 2, the activator. So this is a really nice home product, and it gives like a really nice glow. The Olay, we'll see when I try it, but upon opening the box it looks super similar to mine. Again, this step 1, I don't know the consistency of this one, I'll let you know. And then the activator, step 2. So I'll do again 1/2 of my face with each, and I will let you know which one you know, I like better. So the Olay one was like around 20 and mine retails for around 35, and they're actually kind of around the same. You get about the same amount of product. So so I am curious to see how that goes. Continue to look for purchases on Amazon and maybe film that journey for you. So if there's products that you're interested in, let me know, and then maybe I can give you tips and tricks on the best way to navigate through Amazon. But I got a lot of feedback on that video that I did, so I think that that's good. I'll give you some tips on what to pick out online. Also, I'll probably do some more hauls. I've been getting good feedback on that. So let me know if there's particular products that you have a trouble buying, or products that you know that you want to try, like more acne products or whatever, and I will do my best to look in the drugstores and see what I can find that I think might be good for you. So anyway, please subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on any other videos that you're interested in, and thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.